Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We've got a fabulous fertilizer called Mushrüm Bloom Liquid Compost by Black Dirt Organics. It was sent to me as a gift to test out and share with you. And I am loving this. So as you can see, like I love gardening. I love plants. I have a house full of plants. I have a yard full of plants. And one of the problems is that you get fertilizer that is just sugar spikes for your plants. It's not actually benefiting your plants very much. But what makes Black Organics Mushrüm Bloom different is they're taking mushroom metabolites and using them to actually enrich and make your soil better. So whether you've got potted plants and that's what you're fertilizing, or you want to fertilize your yard or your crops, guys, 100% organic. Like there's no chemicals. It's extracted with water. They're so phenomenal. Now, their motto is heal the earth. And what has happened over years and centuries of farming is that our soil is so depleted. It doesn't have the good microbes anymore. It doesn't have the nutrients. And so our food is not as nutrient dense. We have so many problems with the quality of the soil. And what this does is it puts the good stuff back in the soil so that the plants that are drinking this up can actually do better, thrive, and produce more and look better. So it's a liquid compost. One pint will treat up to 5,000 square feet. So you can put this in a sprayer on your hose, or if you've got even a heavier duty thing, you could totally do that and do your lawn, do your bushes, your garden. If you've got a garden, like a vegetable garden or fruit trees or whatever, this is great for everything. I've been using this on my houseplants and they are loving it. They really are enjoying it and thriving. And I will say, be warned, it stinks. It is organic compost. My dogs went ape crazy when this got shipped to me and I couldn't understand why. And then I opened it and I was like, oh, now I see. So it is a little smelly, but it's so good. And it's so beneficial for your plants. It really puts all those good things back. It's like a probiotic for your plants and puts all the good things back in there so your plants can truly be healthy and happy and do their best. For houseplants, it's really easy. You're just going to add one half ounce per gallon to your watering if you're just going to be watering around your house. If you are going to be watering a larger area, it does have the ratios for that and how you want to do that, but a little bit goes a long way. I will say, so if you are going to be using this indoors, please be warned, it is like my house, it sunk for a few hours after watering the plants. But the next day, the smell was gone. It was good. So don't water your plants with this right before guests come over. This really just helps give a complete biological system to your plants, to your yard, to your garden, all the good things. We can do our part to help this earth get healthier and to heal by putting the good stuff back in the soil where it belongs, whether it's the soil in the pot in your plant in your house, or the soil in your yard, or the soil in your field of your crops. So I hope you can help heal the earth too and enjoy this as much as I do.